mean, like, what the frick, man? I was like, oh, man, that song really bothers me. Shit. You know, it kind of really sucks. Shut up, so really, you are quite annoying. And then you eat some cow poop. Mr. Black Boy, Ghost Boy. Hey, it's just rude. I think I'm gonna cry. Guys, I'm gonna cry. Don't listen to my money, will you? You know what? Just give me the money. Ew! Fuck! Ew! Ew! Oh, I'm sorry. My name's Rob, man. I don't like how the way people act towards me. I don't want to show her. Like, I don't want to show my face because it's boring. No face makes it an LOL day. I know. That doesn't even sound right. Anyhow, gotta go. Bye.